Eric, that's a goose. You see? They're watching you. And they're very happy encountering you. Oh, no, 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 your eyes. Go away. Do not go near. They're going to eat your eyes because they're asking food. They're hungry. These are the... Hello. Hello. Oh. Ah. Itong arag mga puti nga dongki ay.
Galit na siya, oh. Yung kamay nyo, ha?
Kanina si Eric muntik siya matuklaw ng ano. Si Eric.
Tama ka! Yung monkey nagtadaga ng nails.
Oh. Tapos sabihin mo, hi monkey.
Come here, come here. Hi, monkey. Monkey, monkey. Come here, Eric. Do not extend your hands, ha? Masaihin mo yung utin mo, monkey.
Eric, halika na dito.
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Huy, kaarte niya. Na siya'y duyan. Huy, Milo.
Milo ba? Hindi mo na Milo.
Ito ang nilo. Ayun, oh. Oh, porcupine.
No, it's not porcupine.
Oh. Did you know? Did you know?
Hi, kabayan. Ah, picture na kayo. Si kabayan ninyo. Huy.
Monkey.
Hi, Macau.
Oh, ah. Oh, ah.
Hoy, pusing na day. Pusing na kaya. Panguana ka diyan na. Oh. Eric, dito ka sa harap ni nanay. Ganyan. Kay ano, tawag nito.